Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Amine inversion, nitrogen umbrella inversion, involves the nitrogen atom passing through a planar transition state. In the pyramidal ground state, nitrogen is sp3 hybridized. In the transition state, the nitrogen becomes planar, all three substituents and the lone pair in one plane, which corresponds to sp2 hybridization. Moving on to the next step. Because the transition state requires the lone pair to occupy a p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the three substituents, nitrogen adopts sp2 hybridization at the transition state, not sp3. This immediately eliminates options A and B, which label the transition state as sp3. Moving on to the next step. The molecule shown is NHDT, nitrogen bonded to H, D, and T hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. Because all three substituents are isotopes of hydrogen, they are chemically equivalent in terms of electronic structure. Therefore, structures A and B are enantiomers, mirror images, and are equal in energy. The energy profile must be symmetric, with A and B at the same energy level. This eliminates option C, where B is at a lower energy than A. And for the final step, option D shows a transition state labeled sp2, correct hybridization for the planar transition state, and both A and B at the same energy level, correct, since they are enantiomers and energetically equivalent. The profile is a symmetric single hump with sp2 at the peak. A. Wrong sp3 transition state. B. Wrong sp3 transition state and asymmetric energies. C. Wrong correct sp2 but asymmetric energies. A and B. D. Correct sp2 transition state and symmetric energy profile. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.